Dogs are adorable creatures, and one of the cutest things they do is tilt their heads when you talk to them. This simple gesture never fails to make you smile and wonder what's going on in their minds. Dogs have excellent hearing, but tilting their heads can help them locate the exact direction of a sound. This behavior may make it easier for them to focus on what you are saying. Dogs tilt their heads to adjust their view and see our faces more clearly. This is especially important for understanding your expressions and emotions. When a dog tilts its head, it might be trying to connect with you emotionally. Dogs are very good at sensing emotions, and this gesture could be their way of showing they care. Dogs are intelligent and can understand many words. Tilting their heads might help them focus better when they are trying to learn a new command or word. Dogs listen carefully to your tone, pitch, and words. Tilting their heads could mean they are trying to figure out what you want or what you are feeling. Head tilting is certainly cute. Dogs may have learned that this behavior gets a positive reaction from you, such as petting, smiles, or treats. Some dogs might tilt their heads to relieve discomfort in their ears, especially if they have an ear infection or irritation. If this happens often, it is worth checking with a vet. Dogs are naturally curious animals. Tilting their heads might be a sign that they are intrigued or trying to make sense of something new. Dogs are great observers. If they see you tilting your heads while talking, they might mimic the gesture to communicate or bond with us. Head tilting could be an inherited behavior from their ancestors, helping them in tasks like hunting or tracking by focusing on sounds and sights. Dogs may tilt their heads to encourage you to keep talking. They thrive on interaction and enjoy the attention they get when you communicate with them. Sometimes, dogs tilt their heads simply because it is fun. They are playful animals and often do things just for enjoyment. A dog's head tilt is a mix of curiosity, emotion, and fun. It is their way of showing feelings and connecting with you.